And then your massaging seat and seat levers will be here. Make sure you put your safety belt on. I'm going to come around to the driver's seat, okay? But
just the front view, yeah. Got you.
And you can go here. Just
Okay.
because there's a lot of features. So everything in the Enclave, everything's going to be here. So everything's built into the system, including all of the features and selecting and customizing everything.
As well, but it's really nice. I like the display and everything.
So the display is going to be a 30-inch ultra-wide continuous screen, so there's no separation here like our other two vehicles.
So that one's have a separation. Okay.
You're going to have the 8-inch driver information center, and then you'll have the infotainment center. So this is the 2.5 liter. You're going to have 328 horsepower, 326 torque. If you look on the doors and on the dash right there, you're going to see ambient lighting. You have over 126 different options.
Nice. Even in the back?
All the way through.
Both speakers as well?
Both speakers.
Nice.
With the Avenir, which is our, so we only have 3 trims for Buick. We have our Preferred, we have our ST, which is the Sport Touring, and then we have the Avenir. All of our vehicles out here are Avenir, so top trim.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. So with the Avenir and this one, it's the 16 Bose speakers.
Okay. And this is like the most spacious one.
This is a 7-seater.
7-seater, nice.
The interior, you're going to get the cool gray and the slate blue interior. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging. Second row is heated.
Okay, nice.